Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this, chances are you're curious about living a healthier, happier life. But what if I told you that some of your seemingly harmless daily routines might actually be sabotaging your well-being, slowly making you sick without you even realizing it? You heard that right. Stick around, because today we're uncovering 10 common daily habits that could be undermining your health. You might be surprised by what you discover. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our health-boosting tips. Alright, let's kick things off with a habit almost everyone is guilty of. Habit 10. Skimping on sleep. We live in a 24/7 world, and sleep often feels like a luxury we can't afford. But consistently getting less than 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep isn't just about feeling tired. It profoundly impacts your immune system, making you more susceptible to infections. Chronic sleep deprivation elevates stress hormones like cortisol, which can lead to inflammation and weight gain. It impairs cognitive function, reducing your ability to concentrate, solve problems, and even regulate your emotions. Over time, poor sleep is linked to a higher risk of heart disease, diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. Think of sleep as your body's nightly repair shop. If you close it early, things start to break down. Prioritize sleep. It's not a waste of time, it's an investment in your health. Try establishing a consistent bedtime routine, making your bedroom a dark, quiet sanctuary, and avoiding screens an hour before bed. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Moving on to habit 9. Constant digital device overload, especially before bed. We're all glued to our phones, tablets, and computers, and while they're indispensable tools, their overuse, particularly late at night, is a major health saboteur. The blue light emitted from these screens disrupts your body's natural melatonin production, the hormone that tells your body it's time to sleep. This isn't just about making it harder to fall asleep, it throws your entire circadian rhythm out of whack. Beyond sleep, constant digital engagement can lead to tech neck, eye strain, and headaches. More insidiously, it can foster a sense of constant comparison and FOMO, fear of missing out, contributing to anxiety, stress, and even depression. The endless scroll can prevent your mind from truly resting and processing information, leading to mental fatigue. Try implementing digital detox hours, especially in the evening. Pick up a book, listen to music, or simply sit with your thoughts. Giving your brain a break from the digital world is crucial for mental and physical restoration. Next up, habit 8. A sedentary lifestyle. In an age where many jobs involve sitting at a desk for 8 hours or more, physical inactivity has become an epidemic. We drive everywhere, work sitting down, and relax sitting down. This lack of movement is profoundly detrimental. A sedentary lifestyle significantly increases your risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, certain cancers, and even premature death. It weakens your muscles and bones, reduces your metabolism, and negatively impacts your mood. Your body is designed to move. Sitting for prolonged periods can lead to poor circulation, back pain, and even poor posture that affects your breathing and digestion. Even if you hit the gym for an hour, sitting for the other 15 hours of your waking day can undo some of that good work. The solution isn't necessarily running a marathon every day, but simply integrating more movement into your daily life. Take the stairs, walk during your lunch break, stand up and stretch every hour, or even try a standing desk. Every step counts towards a healthier you. Now for habit 7. Consuming ultra-processed foods and sugary drinks. Let's be honest, they're convenient and often delicious. But that quick fix comes at a steep price for your health. Ultra-processed foods are typically high in unhealthy fats, added sugars, sodium, and artificial ingredients. While being stripped of essential nutrients and fiber, sugary drinks are liquid sugar bombs that offer zero nutritional value. Regular consumption of these items leads to chronic inflammation, weight gain, increased risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, certain cancers, and even poor gut health. They mess with your blood sugar levels, causing energy crashes and cravings, creating a vicious cycle. Your gut microbiome, which plays a huge role in your immune system and mental health, suffers immensely from this diet. Start by making small swaps. Choose water over soda, whole fruits over sugary snacks, and cook more meals at home using fresh ingredients. Nourish your body with real whole foods. It's the best fuel you can give it. Following that, we have habit 6, chronic stress and poor stress management. Stress is an unavoidable part of life. But chronic, unmanaged stress is a silent killer. When you're constantly stressed, your body is in a perpetual fight or flight mode, releasing hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. While useful in short bursts, sustained high levels of these hormones wreak havoc on your body. Chronic stress suppresses your immune system, making you more prone to illness. It contributes to high blood pressure, heart disease, digestive problems like IBS, headaches, anxiety, depression, and even difficulties with memory and concentration. It can disrupt sleep and lead to unhealthy coping mechanisms. The key isn't to eliminate stress, that's impossible, but to learn healthy ways to manage it. Incorporate stress-reducing practices into your daily routine. Meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, spending time in nature, journaling, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Don't let stress dictate your health. Take control of your response to it. Let's talk about habit 5. Ignoring thirst signals and chronic dehydration. It sounds simple, right? Just drink water. Yet many of us consistently fail to drink enough water throughout the day. Dehydration, even mild dehydration, can profoundly impact your health. Water is essential for virtually every bodily function, regulating body temperature, lubricating joints, transporting nutrients, and flushing out waste products. When you're dehydrated, you might experience fatigue, headaches, poor concentration, constipation, and even dry skin. Chronic dehydration can strain your kidneys and increase your risk of kidney stones. It can also make you feel hungrier than you actually are, leading to overeating. Don't wait until you're parched. By then, you're already dehydrated. Keep a water bottle handy and sip throughout the day. Aim for at least 8 glasses or more if you're active or in a hot climate. Listen to your body. It usually tells you what it needs. Next on our list is habit 4, poor oral hygiene. This might seem like a small detail, but neglecting your teeth and gums has consequences far beyond bad breath or cavities. Your mouth is a gateway to the rest of your body, and poor oral hygiene, like not brushing and flossing regularly, allows harmful bacteria to multiply. These bacteria can cause gum disease, gingivitis, and periodontitis, which not only leads to tooth loss but also causes chronic inflammation. This inflammation isn't confined to your mouth. Studies have linked gum disease to serious systemic health issues, including heart disease, stroke, diabetes complications, respiratory infections, and even adverse pregnancy outcomes. It's a clear demonstration of how interconnected your body truly is. Make brushing twice a day for 2 minutes and flossing daily non-negotiable habits. Regular dental checkups are also vital. Investing in your oral health is investing in your overall health. Coming in at habit 3, ignoring health symptoms and delaying doctor visits. This is a common one driven by busyness, fear, or simply hoping symptoms will go away on their own. But often, those nagging aches, persistent fatigue, unusual changes, or even mild discomfort are your body's way of sending an important message. Ignoring or downplaying these signals can turn a minor isolated treatable issue into a much more serious problem. Early detection is often key to successful treatment for many conditions, from various cancers to heart disease and autoimmune disorders. Delaying care can lead to more aggressive treatments, poorer outcomes, and increased suffering. Of course, not every sniffle requires a doctor's visit, but if a symptom is persistent, worsening, unusual for you, or causing significant concern, please don't hesitate to seek professional medical advice. Be proactive about your health, listen to your body, and trust your instincts. Your health is worth prioritizing. For habit 2, skipping meals or eating irregularly. Many people skip breakfast, grab a quick, unhealthy lunch, and then overeat at dinner. This irregular eating pattern throws your metabolism, blood sugar, and energy levels into a roller coaster ride. Skipping meals can lead to extreme hunger, often resulting in poor food choices later on, overeating, and an increased likelihood of consuming unhealthy processed foods. It can slow down your metabolism, making weight management more difficult. Your body needs a consistent supply of nutrients to function optimally. Irregular eating can also lead to nutrient deficiencies, digestive issues, and fluctuations in mood and concentration. Think of your body as a finely tuned machine. It needs regular quality fuel to run efficiently. Aim for balanced meals and healthy snacks throughout the day to keep your energy stable, support your metabolism, and nourish your body properly. And finally, our habit 1, a lack of purpose or social connection. While not a physical habit in the traditional sense, these are crucial aspects of psychological and emotional well-being that profoundly impact physical health. Humans are social creatures, and a sense of belonging and purpose is fundamental to our thriving. Chronic loneliness and social isolation have been shown to be as detrimental to health as smoking or obesity. They increase the risk of depression, anxiety, cognitive decline, heart disease, and a weakened immune system. A lack of purpose can lead to feelings of apathy, hopelessness, and can diminish motivation for self-care. Actively cultivate meaningful relationships, whether with family, friends, or community groups. Find activities that ignite your passion and give you a sense of contribution or meaning. Volunteer, pursue a hobby, learn something new, or reconnect with old friends. Nurturing your social connections and finding your purpose are powerful ways to boost your resilience, happiness, and overall health. Don't underestimate the power of human connection and a meaningful life. So there you have it, 10 daily habits that might be quietly chipping away at your health. It's easy to fall into these traps, but the good news is that recognizing them is the first step towards making positive changes. Small, consistent efforts can lead to massive improvements in your overall well-being. Which of these habits resonates most with you? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from you and building this community of health-conscious individuals. Thank you so much for watching today's video. We hope this information empowers you to make healthier choices and live a more vibrant life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with someone who might benefit. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next empowering video. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next one.